apartment, and they went extremely nuts over it. So I was going around trying to find mirrors at Dollar Tree. And let me tell you, I had hockey sticks trying to find these mirrors. So I got tired of burning gas day after day, hour after hour, trying to find these mirrors. So I just ordered them, have them sent to my local Dollar Tree, picked them up, and now I have my mirrors. So I have a panel of 8 mirrors here, and I am about to connect it to my board. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Roughly, this was about maybe under $20 to make, and in a store you would probably pay every bit of $100 to $500 for a mirror art piece like this. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get to it. Okay, now I am about to take the plastic off of the mirrors, and you just do that and just roughly take the little bitty metal pieces out. You don't need that because you don't want your mirror buckling. So all you do is repeat until everything is done. So it takes a minute, but it's well worth it. So you just continue to take that off and continue until everything is all clean in the back. Your papers of your mirrors, and you be good. But this is an awesome piece, you guys, to decorate your room on a budget. Like, if you only knew how many people ask me about this mirror. And it's just cheap hot glue sticks, mirror glue, foam board, and Dollar Tree mirrors. It's just an awesome thing to recreate, and I had fun doing it. So here you go, and just sort them the way you want them, however you want them on the board, and make sure you really have to make sure that all is off, because if you forget, it's not going to stick to your foam board. It's going to kind of buckle and eventually fall off. You want that to be nice and sturdy. Nothing distracting it. Okay? So now you're going to start just organizing, sorting, make sure they butt very, very, very close together, because you don't want no gaps. No gaps. Because if you have gaps, then you're going to see the white foam board, and you want to make an illusion that it's one whole piece. So that's it. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, now this is what the whole piece looked like before you start gluing. So yes, so now we are going to take it up and glue. We're going to get E40 glue. I forgot what's the name of it, but we're going to get that and put it, however you want to glue it on your board. It's not no right or wrong way to do this, just glue. But just my preference, I like to do it into the corner. Here, 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 and there. There, just so I can just get a little bit of that mirror glue down. You don't have to do a lot, and then once you do that mirror glue, and then you're just gonna just let it sit for a minute so it can get kind of tacky, and then you add your hot glue around the areas that don't have the mirror glue. That's what I do. I don't put it on top. I just add it right in the areas that don't have it. And you have to work fast because it's hot glue. It dries fast, and you don't want it to dry on you, and then it's not going to get its full potential to stick to the foam board. So that's it. Get working and add to your board and butt it right next to the mirror that you already put together. hold it down, make sure it's nice and firm. Lay it there for a minute. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, and you should be good, because I have some good glue, and that's the monkey crazy glue, whatever you call it, the monkey glue, hot glue sticks. Baby, you talking about something stuck? Okay, that's stuck. So this is what I used. That Gorilla Glue. I said monkey glue. Wow, hot glue stick. So the Gorilla Glue is like a awesome hot glue stick. Baby, if you want something to stick, get you some Gorilla Glue sticks. They awesome. They really is, and they work well. So you'll love it. So do your next mirror. Just continue to do the same thing. Repeat until you're done. Okay, so I'm not going to talk you to death, and you can kind of get the process. So yes, there you go. There you have it. That's my trick and trade to making a wonderful art piece. So yes, and this, I hate this part. When you have a small glue gun and you have to constantly re-add the glue sticks, like, man, I had me a big one, but I couldn't find no Gorilla Glue sticks in the big one, so I had to deal with this little one, and it's driving me crazy. Okay. But you guys, you know, it's fun. It was a fun piece to put together. So just continue, and it's like a no-brainer. And just continue to do that, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay? Hi everybody, I'm all done. So I am going to put this video up so you guys can see how I did it. I think I wasn't recording a couple times, but you get the picture. It's no brainer. Just hot glue, then you put your mirror glue and put it to your poster board. That's as simple as that. And you can put it in layers to whatever you like, you know, layer it up. And then that's it. So this is the results. Okay, this is it. I made 2 wall panels, and then I put them up button next to each other. So I'm liking the space by the door, and I like the mirror effect, and it's kind of tall and give height to the room. So this is it. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Thank you all for watching my video, taking the time to be with me. Love you all. Bye.